Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to unpair your speaker HISENSE Party Rocker One from your Android device. You have to start by open Settings and then go to Connected Devices or Bluetooth. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your speaker. And right here at the left side we have a button what called Forget with this trash icon. And you need to tap at this button. But if you want to only stop Bluetooth connection with this speaker, but leave it at the device list to reconnect it in the future, you need to select Disconnect. But let's remove it. So Forget and Forget device. After that we can turn off it, and at the top at the right bottom here we have power button. You need to press and hold at the power button. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!